If you're encountering an instance connection error on Pinecone 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to instance connection errors. Step 2. Verify Pinecone service status. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRope to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Restart your application. Close and reopen the application or service that is trying to connect to Pinecone. This can refresh the connection and resolve temporary issues. Step 4. Review configuration settings. Double-check your configuration settings, including API keys and instance names. Ensure that they are correctly entered and match the settings in your Pinecone account. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Pinecone's support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the instance connection error efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.